Hi everyone, this is my first unboxing video and I will be doing the Flywoo Flytimes 85. I know my setup is not perfect, but it is what it is for now. So I've ordered a bunch of things with the Flytimes 85. So that's like new, more TPU guards for the propellers. They come in different colours, yellow, black, red one. They just give you one as a standard, but then I've purchased a few more to be fair. So I've also ordered a bunch of propellers, as you can see. So these are the propellers here. Some pads and more propellers. These soft pads, they go under the drone, so when you land it you don't scrap the plastic at the bottom, but there's a wear and tear on them, so you just need to change them every now and then. That's the TPU battery holders. They don't have a strap, they give you a battery holder, which is quite nice, tight, holds the battery in place, but then it's a pain if you want to change from 750 to 1000 milliampere battery. I would prefer a battery strap, to be fair. So this is the main box. I've also ordered extra batteries with the drone, so I've got 4 of them, 2 of the 1000 milliamperes and 2 of the 750 milliampere. These are 2S LiPo HV batteries. So as you can see in the box, you're getting some stickers, you're getting the flight controller diagram with all the connections, some stickers for your batteries, and then you've got your batteries there. So I bought 2 of the 1000 milliampere 2S batteries. It's a LiPo, it's an HV LiPo. And then I got 2 of the 750 milliamperes batteries. These are 2S batteries, and that's all the standard things that come into the box. So that's all the tools and spare. They give you quite a lot, so they give you, like, that's the TPU mount, which is quite hard to get in, but if you master it, I mean, then it's not that hard. That's the TPU prop guard that goes all around the drone. It's very minimalistic. They give you a bunch of different sets of screws, and these are more pads that they go underneath, because there is some wear and tear if you keep landing it. That's a small screwdriver. They give you a single zip tie. That's the 90-degree Type-C cable, so you can connect your drone to Betaflight. That's the tool for removing the props. And there is an Allen key for all the rest of it. So it's quite complete, and they give you quite a lot of different screws. So I'll give them that. That's how the TPU goes into the battery. There you go. So it's quite tight, so that's good. But as I say, I would prefer a battery strap. And there's more screws and small bits. These are like small clips to hold cables on the drone. So these are all 3D printed. And that's soft mounts and screws and all the rest of this stuff, and knots and all the rest. Which is quite good. They give you a fair amount of spare parts, to be fair. to the main one. So finally, that's the drone. It's a very small one, very minimalistic. I would say be careful if you fly it near people. If you want to fly indoors, then maybe a fly lens is a better option. But that's the drone. As you can see, it provides some protection for the props, but not as much. It uses the small motors. They are small but quite powerful. And this one comes with the DJI 04 Lite or 04 Pro air unit. This one is with the 04 Lite version of it. So that's everything. That's what's in the box. Thank you very much. Again, I'm not perfect, definitely not perfect with my unboxing, but I wanted to share that stuff with you. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.